Thank you.
Ang pamatitig.
Huwag nila na malalalo yun. Thank you po sa pictures.
Betong sumaya, ihahayag ang kanyang damdamin matapos siyang tanghaling Celebrity Soul Survivor. Abangan live!
Love is in the air, is celebrating Valentine's Day. Let us not forget that our families love us first. Your sweethearts may come and go, but the strongest connections are always at home. Kaya salamat sa PLDT Mighty SL. High-speed internet. It's super easy to send love by tweeting messages and video chatting with my siblings and other relatives overseas. Yan po ang pinakahuling mensahe ng PLDT Mighty SL. Magbabalik po ang start.